To ensure that the dispenser releases the necessary amount, a sample shot is released into a suitable waste container. Add 3.5 milliliters of washing buffer to every tube. The solution should be added along an inclined frame of the tube and not splash directly onto the cells from above. Make sure to utilize a washing buffer that is approved by Zyagnom. Quickly place the samples into the centrifuge beaker. Caution: do not waste any time. The samples should not be exposed to the washing buffer any longer than the required 5 minutes. The centrifuge must be set at 350 G for 5 minutes and at maximum acceleration and deceleration speed. This is a critical step. If the centrifuge is set too low, the macrophages do not properly manifest in the cell pellet and are dumped away. If it is set too high, the red blood cells do not separate from the pellet and the staining procedure is corrupted. The probes shouldn't remain in the centrifuge any longer than the required 5 minutes. Immediately tip the supernatant quickly and carefully into a suitable waste container. This should be done as quickly as possible, preferably using 2 to 4 probes at the same time. This prevents the pellets from being dumped, which could falsify the results. Now there should be an equal amount of liquid left in every tube. Shake the rack thoroughly for a short time. Incubate for 2.5 minutes. Shake again. Then incubate for a further 2.5 minutes. Incubation is always performed at room temperature between 15 and 25 degrees Celsius and in the dark, for example, a drawer.